question about the Wayfarer prayer.
Yes.
So when you said about traveling on the plane, you couldn't say the prayer in the terminal. Say you get to your flight's been delayed for an hour.
Mm-hmm.
Can you not say the prayer in the terminal, or it has to be on the plane itself?
No. Sorry. Okay, I was. So what? You have to know where your airport or airport that you're flying from is located, if it's within the city limit or not. So what I said, I have 3 airports next to me, so and all of them in the city limit for sure. But if you go, I don't know which airport. That's why I cannot give any examples. So if it's beyond the city limit, so then you're allowed to say the blessing, this Wayfarer prayers, even before you reach the terminal. You understand? So I said in my personal case, when I reach the terminal, it's still city limits. It's still there. You understand? There's houses right there, around there. You understand? So in all of the 3 airports. So I mean, it's still a city limit. So I would say when we're taking off, when you take off, like after a few minutes, I would say the blessing. So for sure, it's 2.5 miles away from the land. Some say you can say a little early, but that's what we do. That's opinion that we accepted. But if it's beyond the city limit, so again, I don't know all of the airports. I don't know, maybe somewhere, where is beyond the city limit? I think when we were in Arizona somewhere, I don't remember, like some smaller airports, so they for sure they're beyond the city limit, so you have to go like, I don't know how many miles to get to the city. So there, of course, you say like you pass the city line, right? Like 2.5 miles, and you already can say. You understand? So it depends what airport. That's why I said, look, if you do not know, look at the map. Are there like neighborhoods around there or not? So that's the thing. Yeah, go ahead, please. Did we answer the question, or you meant something else?
Yeah. I didn't hear that part about the city limits. So now, okay, now
yes.
It makes sense.
So okay, so in city limits, especially you have to understand. So all of this were like in olden days when you're in a city limit, you have some protection. But once you leave the city limits, so it's like all of the bandits, all of the animals, all of these people who like animals. So where's the animals? Then you're in danger. So that's like in olden days. So even today, it's much safer. You drive in your car. Nobody's going to do anything to you, like hopefully, right? But still, it is a danger. So it's much more safer in the city limits. So I would say I just want to add from myself. So if you live in the city limits, God forbid, right? Something happened. So emergency ambulance is going to come like in a matter of minutes. But if you're somewhere on the highway, like somewhere in the mountains, I don't know, somewhere in the desert, okay, you can call the emergency. Maybe it's going to come in 20 minutes, half an hour. Maybe it's going to be late. Chas v'shalom, right, for somebody. So that's why I'm just adding for myself. So in city limits, it's much safer. Even if somebody got into a car accident, like it's some danger, so it's much safer because the help can come faster. Go ahead, yeah.
So traveling by train, also the same thing?
Yes, yes, absolutely. If it's travel, like if you live in the city, absolutely, 100%, yes. So, but for example, for me, where I live, all of the trains they go through the populated areas. So, you would not say this blessing. I mean, around me, but maybe going further, yes, they would go like in open fields, I guess, when there is nobody lives there. So yeah, you would say a blessing.